Ever wish you could trade a $100,000 crypto account without risking your own capital or getting liquidated? Sounds crazy, right? But it's not. Hi, I'm Ivona, and I am a funded trader with Breakout. And in the next 2 minutes, I'm going to explain how traders are accessing more capital through prop trading, and how I went from evaluation to real funds with zero deposit and total risk control. Here's a short version of how prop trading works. You trade a firm's capital instead of your own. You prove your strategy in a simulated environment, and once you pass their rules, they fund you with a real account. You keep most of the profit, and your max loss is capped. No margin calls, no risking your savings. You don't have to trade memes or use 50 times leverage to grow an account. With Breakout, I trade liquid majors with serious size and proper risk. That's how pros scale. Now, what makes Breakout stand out? For those just getting into crypto, it's already complicated enough. Wallets, keys, collateral. Breakout removes all of that. I just trade. No setup, no custody. And I get all the access to real markets without risking my personal assets. They're crypto only and the only firm I've found that combines on-demand daily payouts, trader-friendly rules, and real exchange conditions. There are no hidden restrictions, no consistency rules, no minimum trading days, and no profit cap. You can get funded in one trade if you hit the goal, and they've never missed a payout, ever. Let me show you what that looks like. Here's my trading partner with a quick setup.
Alright guys, so a little bit more about the platform itself. I just became a Breakout trader fully funded after passing the challenge, and my equity limit is 94,000, so I can't go below 6,000 in drawdown, and my current equity limit when it comes to the maximum daily loss is $4,000, so I can't lose more than $4,000 in a day, otherwise I lose my account. You're always going to find your terminal details over here, and you will be able to hop into your terminal, where we are seeing Bitcoin right now making some bearish moves. So as soon as this green candle goes ahead and breaks the bottom of the red candle right here, I will be entering a sell position on Bitcoin, just because I have been looking at some fundamentals. Obviously I do use TradingView to help me with my chart work. I have Bitcoin, gold, US 500, oil, volatility index, and 10-year bonds in my not to-do list, but in my watch list over here on the right, and obviously use all of those for my analysis. So let's see if Bitcoin ends up breaking this. I am going to just, in any case, place a sell stop order at around 107,926.1. so if we go into the stop order, 107.9, just give me a moment, 925.2, let's do that, 107,925.2. sell. I'm gonna sell for 0.05 lots, and it's pretty cool. Usually would have to use a lot size calculator or something, but it tells you right here what the margin impact is on your account. So I want it to be around $1,000, and I want to put my stop loss a little bit above, obviously with using a protection order. So my stop loss, I'm gonna actively manage it once we're actually in the trade, but it should be somewhere above this area. So let's say 107,987.2. So the projected loss is going to be around 620 pips. Percentage of balance, it's at 0 right now, or is it 3.1%? In any case, I'm gonna actually go ahead and play around with the stop loss once I'm in the trade. It's just a part of my strategy. So once I'm in the trade, I'm going to very actively manage it and push it very quickly. So let's just press the send order button. So you're going to see my SDP. This is my sell stop order. You're going to see the price right here. Is it going to go down or not? Doesn't matter. We're going to see what happens. And my stop loss, which I can actively modify on the chart in this terminal, which is really cool and really handy. So the way I'm going to manage it is I'm going to go down into an even lower time frame than we are right now. Right now we are in a 1 minute time frame, so I'm trading very low, and it is a Saturday morning for me. But it seems that the price is going down. It seems that it might hit my sell stop order, and I guess I'm going to come back and update you guys in a little bit to see what happened with this trade. So just as a reminder to all of you guys, volume is naturally not the largest on a Saturday. So if you want to trade, make sure to keep in mind volume, make sure to keep in mind your risk, trade carefully, trade responsibly. I will be back with a future video to update you on this trade and how this account has been going. But for now, signing off. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the rest of this video. Always do your own due diligence before trading.
That trade was risked at 1%, because with Breakout, your downside is fixed to the evaluation fee. That's it. I used to be stuck in the deposit, liquidate, redeposit cycle. Breakout ended that. I know exactly what I'm risking going in, and if I blow the account, that's it. No scary emails, no losses beyond my initial fee. Also, I'm a scalper. Fast moves, high frequency. Most firms hate that, but Breakout doesn't. They don't penalize style, no weird rules, just limits you already know about. I can actually trade my edge without feeling like I'm breaking a rule every single time. So, if you've got an edge but not the capital, this is definitely the move. Treat the demo seriously, size your trade smart, and focus on your edge. Breakout gives you access to capital, real crypto markets, and on-demand payouts without putting your portfolio at risk. Click the link in the description to start your evaluation. You can get started with a $10,000 account for less than a night out. So whether it's $10,000 account or a $100,000 account, the upside's real, and Breakout is the firm to use.